peeps, welcome to day 29 of the 100K sprint. So today's topic, build your team and go. Actually, my note here says build your go-to team, not team and go, your go-to team. Because as you get burned out, as you get tired, as you're trying to do lots of stuff and have questions, you need people to go to. This is not a solo journey. Business is never a solo journey. Yes, you're walking that path, but you have lots of phone calls and lots of landlines that you can hit up for help. So let's start off here with our numbers of the day. I actually pulled up Klaviyo and checked. We have 2 people on the email list today, 0 on SMS and 0 on sales that I've seen. I didn't get any email notifications about sales today. So we have been working super hard all day on MIFGE, which should be launching tonight. I'm actually recording this video a little bit earlier than usual because I'm going to go to bed tonight. And if I leave this video to the last thing that I have to do, it's just going to be like, bleh. I have to be up early in the mornings again, so I can't be doing the 1 and 2 in the mornings for bedtime. That needs to be hitting back at like 11 to midnight. That's my goal. What time do you go to bed? Comment below, let me know. What time do you go to bed and what time do you get up in the morning? And don't be faking me out with different time zones and whatnot. Like, just what time do you go to bed? What time do you get up in the morning? And part of that coming in on our go-to team. So not to go team, your go-to team. I want you to make sure as we're getting in on all of this, and let me know if you're in the same boat, that you have your people to go to. When you have issues, when you have questions, when you need a pick-me-up, like what are your go-tos? And I was writing out my notes for today. I realized like I have a lot of go-to people that I talked with today actually. It's like I feel like my planner, this is last year's BizFit planner, by the way. If you're interested in this year's and want to know what it's about, I have a link down below. Remind me if I don't put that link in there. But like I list out my Pomodoro, so I break out what I do during the day. When I'm good, ignore the dates. I messed up and bounced back and forth on weeks. But I was looking at it, I was like, I've gotten a lot of stuff done today, and I've also talked to a lot of people. Some of these things I was working and talking at the same time, which is great. But like, have your people that you go to for questions and have a diversification of people. It helps so much to have people you go to for specific situations. So like anything in general, I got Andrew and Raejean. If it's YouTube or TikTok or strategy and more tech stuff, I go to my great buddy Elise, who has a TikTok how to use TikTok to grow YouTube, which is super, super cool masterclass. Blew my brain when she ran it. I'll double check when she's running again and I'll put links down for you. So I have those like people right here, people that I talk to like every day, Andrew, Raejean, and Elise. Actually, I'll link her channel down below. You guys can see her if you need tech support. Like, she is amazing. Andrew for email, Raejean for pick-me-ups, Elise for tech. And then, like, I have the beyond, and I have the support teams kind of that we pay for. So I have tech support with 2CCX. And I managed to hit it perfectly today that they were doing open office hours at noon, which is like free-for-all. Go in and ask your question. And they walk you through all the answers and whatnot. That on my funnel that I had built, and I was like, I'm so close to done! I realized I had a tech error, and it had to do with pop-ups in multiple forms and using different email systems, just all over sorts of things. They're like, what you want to do will not work. And I'm like, shit, it's not going to work. Okay, so we had to go in, and I had to shift around all my order forms, which, like, they told me exactly what to do, and it didn't take that long to do, so, like, that part's good. But have people that you can go to for tech support, whether it's a friend, whether it's, like, a tech company, like, whether it's YouTube channel, I guess, but wherever you need, like, have a tech person in your corner that's a go-to person. I have coaches for strategy, and, like, in that coaching group, I have a lot of friends over there as well that we text back and forth now, and that's more, like, strategy and affiliates and, like, how to build your business and scale. In that group, that's where my MIFGE to continuity and linchpin is coming from, which tomorrow, since I'm recording this early today, I'll be able to do the walkthrough of the MIFGE funnel for you guys, woo, and what we're doing and what I hope it will do. I had all those people that I met up with a couple times today, hung out and worked with. I had an old team meetup from before I got into the ClickFunnels world and all of those. The Handmade funnel hackers, cheers out to you guys. You know who you are. And then I actually have 2 more today. I have a copy coach that I have access to. And one of the great things with 2CCX is they give you so much support, but it's on you to go to it. So there are some people who don't take advantage of the copy help, of the traffic help. I know I'm guilty. I don't go and see Matt in traffic as often as I should. I need to get him on my calendar. When they're on my calendar in their office hours, then I go. It's like, you guys, put it on your calendar for coffee chat Mondays at 9:30 and you come hang out with me right here. I want to be one of your go-to people. Just tell me what kind you need it for. So, like, I'm going to hang out with Copy Coach in 5 minutes. And then after that, I am going to hang out with Paige in the Epic Mama group. And that one gets even better because we got a package that I just like bashed my glasses with from Paige and her Epic Mama. Now, the Epic Mama group, like a lot of stuff that I'm in is really business and strategy, funnels, all of that, sales focused. Not Epic Mama. So this group right here by Paige Brown, like a couple weeks ago I talked about the challenge she's doing, Break Through the Suck. This is about your mindset and getting your brain on straight so you can actually go after and succeed in your goals. Because one of the biggest things that we deal with, and I'm probably going to bring it up in tonight's call if she wants, is like I have no problem setting huge audacious goals. But like, I set this goal and part of my brain is like, yeah, right, that's not going to happen. Like, who do you think you are? Why do you think you deserve that kind of goal and that kind of result of what you're going for? And that right there is the problem voice. That is, I think Paige calls it the little bitch in your head. I need to name mine. I need to go back in and do that. I think its name would be Tammy. That's a good name for the bitch in your head. Where's I going with that? Yeah, so you need those kinds of friends too that help you, and like go-to people that help you with your brain, help you keep your brain focused on towards the positive so you don't get stuck in like these downward spirals and these negative thought patterns because they have a way of sneaking up on you and creeping up. But let's unwrap this and we can see what kind of cool thing Paige has. So I got my handy dandy scissors that I'm hopefully not going to cut anything. Let's see. In theory, there should be another unboxing coming in a couple of days. Okay, we got the cut. Ready? I haven't opened it, clearly. Oh, it's like vacuum sealed in there. Yeah, I got it. Okay. And if you guys zoom, you can see all the address. So, here we go. That one. Okay, let's take a look at this. Are we ready? All right. Kind of smells like vinegar, but I know that's a common thing with all of these that comes with screen printing in the process. So we have the Epic Mama hoodie. All right, I'll be putting this on. Paige will be so happy that I have this instead of a 2CCX hoodie on. I already have a hair on it. How is that possible? So, cool things on the hoodie. One, it's black. Number two, it has Epic Mama going down the sleeve. I know all this stuff because, like, I've seen hers. Epic Mama. And then really cool thing, like, I have a funny story. I don't like being called mama or mommy or any of those. I'll tell you the story if you want, just ask me to. It doesn't kind of fit in here, and it's a funny little story, like, not a trauma-related story or any of that, but I'm like, that catchphrase for mama just, like, makes me twitch. But anyway, so she has in here, and I know Paige is fighting on that, but she has on here, the back is her framework, her hero framework for getting over the suck. So let's see. Her manifesto: I am here to make an impact. I am a master of my emotions. Like, that's a key one. That's important. I am rewriting my story because the stories we tell ourselves either serve you or don't serve you. You want stories that serve you and push you forward, not ones that hold you back. And I can overcome anything. Hell yeah. I am an Epic Mama. theepicmama.com. So I'll have this all linked down below. Paige runs a group at $67 a month right now. I don't know what it'll be in the future. As of this very moment, $67 a month. And it's a group that it comes in and it talks and it helps you get strategies to deal with that little bitch in your head, that little voice in your head. I'm thinking Paige and I might do some kind of team up in the future. We've definitely been looking and talking about it. That might be more on the jewelry side than the mindset side, but we shall see. And I'm very excited that does go through. So here we go. We got our Epic Mama hoodie. I'm not gonna put it on. You guys don't need to see me struggle like that. That's okay. It's got like a really nice hood. Wow, that is like heavy duty industrial hood here on this one. And yeah, there we go. So I am going to Krista right now, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Let me know. Does, when I say the bitch in your head, which is Paige's words there, does that like resonate or mean anything to you? Does that call out? And I guess you don't have to comment on that. It's not required, because I totally understand. But like, I want to know. I want to know if that resonates, if you're like, oh yeah, I do feel that way too, because this is definitely a place where I share all with you guys when I'm feeling great, when I'm feeling like shit, when I'm like, I want to crawl under the desk and die, versus we're on top of the world and I'm ready to go bungee jumping, like any of that, or skydiving, any of that. I'm here for you. This is the whole gamut of entrepreneurial emotions going on here. So that's that. I will see you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay epic, keep it awesome, and yeah, bye! MIFGE!